Question number 33. A battery of electromotive force 12 volt and negligible internal resistance are connected as shown in the circuit. Okay. Initially, temperature of thermistor is 15 degrees centigrade and the current in the circuit is, how much is it? 0.1 ampere. The temperature of thermistor then changes, which causes the current to increase to 0.12. So, the current is increasing. Okay. So, from 0.1 to 0.12. What is the temperature of how does the temperature of thermistor change? And what is RT of the new temperature? See, whenever you are using a thermistor and you observe that the current is increasing. Okay. When the current is increasing, what does it mean? When the current is increasing, what does it mean in a circuit? Without changing this, the resistance should decrease. The thermistor resistance should decrease here. If this decreases, then automatically this increases. Now what is being asked? Now when can the thermistor's resistance decrease? Thermistor's resistance can decrease when temperature is increased. When the temperature is increased, definitely the resistance will decrease over here. So therefore temperature is increasing. Temperature of the thermistor is increasing. So therefore this is incorrect. This is incorrect. The next two we need to see. Okay. Now initially when the thermistor had a resistance RT, the current here was going to be 0.1. Let us apply KVL over here. I will write 12 should be equal to 0.1 into 4 plus RT. This is what I get over here. Then second time what will happen? When the temperatures increase, this will once again be 12 only. This will be 0.12 into 4 plus RT dash. RT dash. We get over here. Okay. 0.12 into so much over here. Now what we do is first find out for this one here. What is RT here? 0.12, right? It appears square. Okay. So in this case, let us write it down here. Okay. Or maybe I'll write it down. Okay. I'll write it here. So now what will happen here? I want to find RT here. So 12 by 0.1 would be 1.2 is equal to 0.4 plus, sorry, what is this now? 12 by 0.1 will be 120. Oh my god, I made a mistake here. 120 should be equal to 4 plus RT. Am I right? This goes away downwards 12 and here it is 40 here. 40 here. It's 40 plus RT. So RT should now be 120 minus 40 should be 80 ohms. This was the initial temperature. Next, initial resistance. In this case, what happens? 12 by 0.12. So this will be 12 ones are. This should be equal to 1 should be equal to 0.1 into 4 plus RT dash. So 1 by 0.1 should be 10 is equal to 4 plus, sorry, what is this? No, it's not 4, this is 40. Oh, I made a mistake once again. Okay. So 12, 0.12s are, sorry, 0.1, 0.01 here. 0.01 here. This will be 100 should be equal to 40 plus RT dash. Your RT dash should be equal to 100 minus 40, which is 60 ohm. So RT at new temperature should be 60 ohm and earlier it was 80. Okay, this was not required anyway. So we need only this one. So this is the right answer. Answer A is the right answer.